In this video, we'll show you how to set up your very own sticker ad in our Atok Talk feature and start engaging with your friends while rewarding them with Atok. And the best part? Both the sender and the viewer earn rewards in Atok. First things first, click on the black button in the middle of the menu bar. After that, a screen with two options will appear. Click on Sticker Ad, and now you're ready to create your own branded sticker. Step 1. Upload product image. To upload your brand's product image, we recommend a 1-to-1 ratio. This product sticker will appear inside user chats. Every time it's sent or seen, both users are rewarded in Atok. Step 2. Edit product. Next, customize your product image. You can choose a backdrop and even remove the background for a cleaner look. Once you're done, you can preview your ad one more time to see if it fit your prefers. Step 3. Add ad info. Now, add your ad details. Enter your brand name as the title, up to 20 characters. Add a short description, up to 60 characters. Finally, insert your website link so users can connect directly to your brand. Step 4. Set views, daily limit, and target area. Next, set your campaign goals. Choose the number of views with a minimum of 10,000. Each view costs an Atok and is automatically calculated for you. You can also set a daily send limit, how many times the sticker can be sent per day. By default, your ad runs across the entire country, but you can edit the area to target specific countries. Remember, targeting works by country only, so add any country you want one by one. After choosing all the countries you want, click on Continue to hop to the next step. Step 5. Review and payment. Before checkout, review your ad setup, product image, title, description, website link, ad type, and views. You'll also see the subtotal, NFT discount, and total cost. Complete your payment and you'll get a detailed bill for your records. If your balance isn't enough, the payment button will be disabled. Simply tap Collect Atok to top up and continue. Step 6. Post setup and rewards. Once your sticker ad is live, users will start sending and receiving your branded stickers in chats. Each interaction is a chance to boost brand awareness while rewarding the community with Atok. And how to collect that reward? It's simple. Just tap the sticker icon and look for the special reward section. That's where the magic happens. Pick any reward sticker and send it. But remember, one sticker per friend daily, so choose wisely. When your friend sees the sticker, then it's done. Now both of you will instantly earn your Atok rewards. Keep an eye on those numbers. Each sticker has limited sends, so pay attention to that. And that's it. Setting up your sticker ad with Atok is simple, rewarding, and designed to connect your brand with real people. Ready to launch your first campaign? Open the Atok app and start today.